Okay, now let's do the next one. Now we are seeing over here, that is what? How many carbon atoms, children? One, two, three, four. Four carbon atoms. So what is the root word? Root word is but. Okay. Next, I'm also seeing the single bonds also. So single bond means what, children? Single bond means that is the alkane group, that is ANE, right? That also I know it. And what else I'm seeing it? I'm also seeing the functional group. And which is this functional group? Functional group is alcohol. And if it's a functional group, so which suffix I have to use regarding alcohol? OL, that also I know it. And this OH indicates what? That is the hydroxyl group. This also I know it. Okay. According to this, now I am seeing that if there is a four, carbon atoms, so butane I have written, but instead of E, if I remove E, and because alcohol group is present over here, so the naming of the compound will be butanol. Okay, butanol. Then again I will ask myself that alcohol group is attached to which carbon atom? One carbon atom. And how the numbering we have given it? Listen, check, children, over here once again. I have given the numbering as 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. So I'm seeing that the carbon atom, this carbon atom is having one number, the lowest number which is there, and the attached alcohol is also along with this carbon. Now I've given the numbering from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the same carbon atom is having the numbering 1 from here and 4 from here. So among 1 and 4, which is the lowest number? 1. So I will take this as the numbering like this, and I will take it as final numbering from here till here. Clear? So that is why I have given the lowest number to the alcohol group, that is OH group, and then I have written the butanol first, and then after knowing the numbering, then I have come to know that the alcohol is attached to the first carbon atom which has been given the numbering 1. So I have written 1 butanol. Clear, children? Now let us go for the next one. Now how many carbon atoms are there? 3. So what is the root word? That is the prop. And what is present over here? Single bond. So it will be propane. Keep it in mind, all these things, and keep on doing the homework until unless you get the final naming. Now next is that which is the functional group attached, that is the hydroxyl group, that is OH. Now to which carbon atom is attached, that is this. Now we have to know about the to which carbon atom the alcohol group is attached. So what is the basic rule to know about the attachment of the hydroxyl group to the carbon atom? That is the numbering game. So what I will do, I will number it 1, 2, 3. Or I will also number as 1, 2, 3. So I'm seeing it that the alcohol group which is attached to the carbon atom is always getting second number. Either I go from here to here, or either I go from here to here. So meaning is the same, so hardly makes a difference. So I will write it as propanol first, and then to which carbon atom alcohol is attached to? So to propanol. So this is the final answer. This is the final nomenclature. Now the next one. How many carbon atoms are present? 4. So what is the root word? Pent. What is present over here? Single bonds. So it will be pentane. Fine. One more thing I'm seeing it over here. Functional group is also attached. Where? That is, which is the functional group over here? So what is it? The functional group is ketone. And what is the suffix for ketone group? That is ONE. I have written over here. Okay. I came to know that there are, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is carbon atoms, and pent it was having the root word. So now I've seen also the ketone group is also present. So the suffix of ketone group, that is ONE, will be present. So after that, what I will do, I will write first pentane. I will remove E, and then I will put it as ONE. So the word from pentane, it has changed to pentanone. Then my next step was that this attachment of this ketone is on which carbon? That is why I have done the numbering. So after doing the numbering, I am seeing that whether I do the numbering from here till here, or from here till here, the numbering to the carbon where the ketone group is attached is always getting 3 number, either from this side or either from this side, right, children? So I have written that is the 3 pentanone. So the final nomenclature is 3 pentanone. So this is the naming. Now the next one is, that is, I'm having, that is 2 carbon atoms in this. So what is the root word? That is the eth. Okay. Now, what is attached over here? This. I'm seeing it over here. So, which is this functional group? This is aldehyde group. So, if it is aldehyde group, so what will be the suffix? That means Al. So, what I have done, that is the single bond is also present. So, what I have done it as, first I have written ethane. So, after writing ethane, now I have come to know that the functional group is also present, that is aldehyde. So, what I will do, that I will remove E and then I will put that is Al instead of E. So, it will become ethanol. Am I clear? And it is attached on the first carbon atom. So, you can write as ethanol or 1-ethanol. It's okay. Now, the next one is, that is the 3 carbon atoms are present. Okay. What is the root word? Prop. Fine. And the single bonds are also present. Okay. What it is will be, that is the propane. For my homework, I will keep on writing propane. So, because I have to go step by step. And I'm also watching that the functional group is also present. Which is this? That is the carboxyl group. That is carboxylic acid. So, what will be the suffix for carboxylic acid? OIC. Okay, this is also homework. I've done it. So, now for knowing it, I also should know that on which carbon atom this functional group is attached. Again, the numbering game, I will do it. So, I have given the numbering first. That is always the numbering should be given from the terminals of the carbon, either from right or either from left. So, I have given the numbering 1, 2, 3. Okay, I see that I've given the first numbering over here. Fine. Now, I will check the numbering from this side also. So, I've given the numbering 1, 2, 3. So, I am seeing that this carbon is having 2 numberings, that is 1 and 3. So, out of 1 and 3, which is the lowest numbering? 1. So, I will take the numbering from here till here. So, this is my correct numbering. What it is? So, this is my correct numbering. So, what I will write? That means the which functional group, that is the carboxylic acid, that is the carboxyl group is attached to the first carbon atom. So hence the suffix I will use as OIC, and the naming of the compound will be 1-propanoic acid.